Alright, y'all. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins. Back with another video. Back with another banger. Back with another unboxing. Please run it up for your boy. It's been a minute. It's been 4 months since I've dropped an unboxing, an on-foot look. I'm here still, you guys. I'm still here. I'm still part of the sneaker community. I haven't been getting no dubs lately, honestly. And I took a little break from sneaker content. I've been dropping a lot of golf content, but I'm here. I finally got my hands on a couple pairs of shoes, and to be honest, I got my hands on these shoes 2 weeks ago, and then maybe almost a month ago for another pair. So I do got a couple videos coming for you guys. I've just been traveling, going on vacation, and making golf content. So I'm here though. I got an unboxing for you guys, man. Run it up. I do appreciate y'all. We are now in the 600s, almost to 1,000. Honestly, I'm happy. You know what I'm saying? And I know we can do better. I know we could already have been at 1,000. I needed a little break. It's getting a little wore out, man. But we do have a pair of shoes for you guys, man. These just released a couple weeks ago. And it feels good unboxing a shoe. It's been a minute, man. So like I said, run it up for your boy. We got a size 10. Of course, it's my size. A Nike Dunk High Premium. My first pair of Nike Dunk Highs. It's called a Summit White Desert Ore. I think these were called the Gold Mountain Dunks. Gold Mountain Dunks. So let's go ahead and see what we got in the box. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right, I'm not mad. I am not mad. That gold's pretty bold. It's kind of... Okay. Green on the interior. Now, I don't have any Dunk Highs, y'all. So, this is my first pair of Dunk Highs. Oh, definitely look at it. Now, what got me about this shoe is I love when shoes have, like, just details on them. What got me initially was, of course, the materials. I love this colorway. I love the ore, like the ore wheat or the ore wood brown or whatever color this is. The earth tones. I love these colors. Then it had a translucent sole. So you had me there, right? And then this furry Nike check. Beautiful shoe. Now, the green accents, I don't know if I'm a fan of yet. I don't know if I'm a fan of. I'm not mad at it, though. I'm really not mad at the shoe. Gold Mountains. I don't know what the whole origin of everything about this shoe is. Let me open it up a little bit. You guys, do your research. I thought this was a dope shoe. A dope premium shoe. I wanted something different. I also wanted to see if my sneakers account was hidden, bro. I'll be honest with you, like, I've been taking so many L's lately that I'm like low-key, like, do they think I'm a bot or something? I don't know. I really don't know what's going on. So there's nothing on the bottom of the shoe. The leather on this shoe is super soft. Like, if you compared this leather to a leather on a, I guess you would just say a Panda, completely different. Super soft, even though it is that smooth leather, it's super duper soft. Let me go ahead, open up the shoe just a little bit. I'm gonna do some B-roll. I mean, especially since it's been a while since I've dropped a video, I'm gonna make this video nice for you guys, you know what I mean? Like I said, I'm still in the sneaker content. I kind of got burnt out. I ain't even gonna lie. I got burnt out. We're at over 300 videos on the channel, and that's a lot of work. You know what I'm saying? That is a lot of work. Hold on, let me open up the shoe a little bit, let it breathe a little bit. So on the tongue, it has some foreign language. I honestly, man, I don't know what it says on the tongue. Somebody get in the comments. Let me know what that says. translate that to me. And then even inside, I don't know if it's Japanese. I don't know if it's Chinese. I really don't know. But I'm assuming all of it ties together. The gold mountains with the writing on the inside. Nice shoe. Nice shoe. My first Dunk High. I'm not mad at it. I'm going to do an on-foot review, on-foot look in my next video. But I really just wanted to get an unboxing out to you guys, just to let you guys know I appreciate you for helping me get above 600. We still have a goal of 1,000 subscribers. And we're going to push. I'm back. I'm ready to push, you know, for the next leg of getting to 1,000 subscribers and getting that watch time up to 4,000 hours of watch time. I do appreciate you guys. Get in the comments. Let me know what you think of these Gold Mountain Dunk Highs. Did you go for these? Were you sleep? I know it's not an SB, and I know a lot of people really only like SBs when it comes to these dunks. But I like this shoe. I think it's a super duper clean shoe. Not mad at it. Get down in the comments and let me know what you think. Shoe definitely, it comes with extra laces to help offset that that green on the inner lining of the shoe. Dope shoe, super clean. Definitely wearable. I'll definitely get a lot of wears out of this shoe. Staying in the collection, I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the materials. I'm impressed with the leather. And I mean, it's just clean and simple. Super clean and simple. But like I said, you guys, get down in the comments. Let me know what you think. I got another shoe to unbox. So get me another shoe to unbox. So give me the at least 25 likes in the video. Give me the 25 likes. We'll do an on-foot look on this shoe. Then we'll unbox the other shoe. We'll do another on-foot look for that shoe. And we're going to get this sneaker thing back rolling, you guys. We're going to get this sneaker thing back rolling. Just want to let you guys know I appreciate you. It's your boy, Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Let's go get 1K, baby. Peace.